The first step is to simply open the Files app on your device. And once you do that, you're gonna get redirected here. Now, as you can see at the top, it says on my iPhone. So these files from here are on your iPhone, so not on your iCloud account. So if you delete them, you won't get them back. Now, if we tap on Browse in the top left corner, here we have different locations. So we have iCloud Drive on my iPhone, then I have Google Drive installed on this iPhone, and then we can see recently deleted. Now, if you tap on iCloud Drive, you can turn this on, and basically you can save files here. And if you log in with your iCloud account on another device, you will be able to access these files from here. And I'm gonna show you how to move them here. If I go to on my iPhone, here we can basically create folders. We can download different files. So as you can see, we have the downloads folder where basically everything that we download from the internet or from private messages, such files, PDFs, etc., we're gonna find them right here. Now, if we tap on these three dots in the top right corner, here we can create new folders. We can scan documents, we can connect to server, and we can use filters such as icons, lists. So maybe you want to see all the files from here as list, you can do that. And here we can filter them out by name, kind, date, size, text, etc. Now, if you want to move a folder or a file, you're gonna have to simply tap on it, and then we're gonna have to simply tap on move. And here we're going to be able to move them wherever we want. And as I said earlier, we can simply tap on these three dots, and from here we can create a new folder, or we can tap on Browse and we can go and tap on iCloud Drive and move the file here. We're going to have to simply tap on move in the top right corner, but make sure you turn on iCloud Drive. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.